Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we'll discuss about what is a receipt payment account. What is it? It is simply uh, it is simply a summary of cash and bank transactions for the year for the organization. It gives full information about all receipts and payments under different heads and is prepared with the help of a cash book. The cash book contains a record of all the receipts and payments in a chronological order, but the receipt and payment account will simply show the total amount received or paid under each head. Example, suppose the club receives subscription from its members on different dates in a year. These are recorded in the cash book separately on those dates. But in the receipt and payment account, the total amount of subscription received during the year will appear as one item on the debit side. Similarly, salaries paid to the staff will appear in cash book every month, whereas the receipt and payment account will simply show the total amount of salaries paid during the year on its credit side. The opening balance of receipt and payment account represents the cash and bank balance at the beginning of the year, whereas the difference between the total of the two sides reflects the closing balance of cash and bank at the end. Look at this illustration here in the picture. This is a receipt and payment account of Zenith Golf Club. Debit side, that is left hand side, is receipt. Credit side, right hand side, that is your payments. It starts with balance brought down of cash 3,600, bank 4,000. So total balance of cash and bank is 7,600. Then it has subscription for 16, 17, 18. Total receipt, okay, so it's given 4,000, 37,000 and 1,800. Entrance fees received is 1,600. Interest on investment is 3,000. So these are the various receipt for the club. Whereas on the payment side, that is your credit side, right hand side, supports equipment, sorry, it should be sport, I believe. Oh, okay, whatever, support equipment also can be. It is 20,000 equipments purchased. Then tournament expenses 4,000, again another expense. Electricity expenses, printing, salaries and wages, exhibition expenses, these are all given on the payment side. Now the difference between the debit and credit side is the closing balance. That is your balance carried down, cash and bank, 9,000 and 9,400. So boys and girls, this is how a receipt and payment account looks like. Thank you so much for watching.